Hi. Today I have an interesting Euro cylinder. It's this Buffo, I think it's pronounced like that, Euro cylinder. It's made by, I think it's owned now by ABUS, and I think they are discontinued, but I'm not really sure. So here's the key. It's a Buffo on this side and ABUS on this side. It's a 5-pin standard Euro cylinder. Very interesting beading. Some short, some long, some short, and some long. Probably it's not that tricky to pick. If it was opposite, then it's going to be very challenging. But it's an interesting keyway. Oops. I don't know if you can see this. Sorry. It's a very weird yell styles. So you can see it's like a, but there is a lot of space, so it's a pretty interesting one. And it's a full Euro. On this side you can see 5 pins. So I'll try to pick it. I don't remember if there was a security pins or not, but let's see. Let's try to pick this one and hopefully try to get it. So let me start. 1 nothing, 2 nothing, 3 nothing, 4 it's binding. Come on, 4. I think small click on 4. 5 click from 5, or I did overset 5. Let me check. 1 2 3 nothing, 4 nothing, 5. I think I overset. Let me put it back up. 3 nothing, 4 think nothing, 5. Let me drop it again. Oh wow, this is going to be very challenging. Now 3 it's binding. Come on, 3. It's very crunchy inside. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's so crunchy. And this Chinese big click on pin number 3. I felt small turn on the core. Now I think that was 2. And now 1 it's binding. But it's not like a full set, so it's a bit strange. We are open. So strangely no security pins. So let me now try to get it, and I don't have any special tools with me, so this is going to be interesting. So as you can see, no surprise, all the pins are standard. So let me check the core. Nothing done on the cord. A bit tricky to disassemble it without my usual tools. The Bible is the same. It's a standard one. Nothing done there. Here's the cam. Nothing special there. And the pins are really nothing special, so everything in standard. A bit tricky beading, nothing special, and it looks like it's a brand new, or at least it was probably not used that much. So yeah, easy pick in general, but interesting logo and interesting Buffo lock. Eurotin land, pick and got it. So guys, thanks for watching, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.